Dear student, in the previous lecture, we discussed about the terminology of cryptography, symmetric encryption, attacking crypto system, brute force attack, and crypto analysis attack. Now, in this video lecture, we will discuss about monoalphabetic cipher, substitution technique, Caesar cipher, monoalphabetic cipher security, language statistics, and crypto analysis. Now, first we discuss about the monoalphabetic substitution cipher. In monoalphabetic cipher, the relationship between a symbol in the plain text to symbol in the ciphertext is always one-to-one additive ciphers. Suppose, according to this table, if plain text is given A, B, C, D, E, F, G, small letter X, Y, Z, now ciphertext in capital letter A, B, C to X, Y, Z, and value started from these letter 0001 dash 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 25. Now suppose alias want to send communication message to Bob. So using the monoalphabetic substitution cipher, we encrypt the message, the plain text, with the help of key. If key is given, suppose K is given, so plain text encrypted in this way, ciphertext equal to plain text plus key mod of 26. Now, using this alphabetic cipher, monoalphabetic substitution cipher, message is encrypted in the other form, and this ciphertext encrypted message, it means ciphertext is transferred to the Bob. Bob received this ciphertext and decrypt using P equal to C minus K mod 26. यानी मैसेज को डिक्रिप्ट करता है सेम की के रिवर्स एल्गोरिथम and obtain the plain text. Now, a substitution technique is one in which the letter of plain text are replaced by other letter or by number or symbol. If the plain text is viewed as a sequence of bits, a substitution involves replacing a plain text bit pattern with ciphertext bit pattern. As example, we explain monoalphabetic substitution. Use the additive cipher with the key 15 to encrypt the message hello. Here solution is given. We apply the encryption algorithm to plain text character by given. Suppose करिए इस string में given a letter H E double L O. So we apply the location of H in the table equal to 7. So encryption key is given 15 according to this question. So encryption 7 plus 15 mod 26. After encryption, we receive the ciphertext value 22. The 22 ciphertext is contain the alphabet capital W. Similarly, E, the location in index alphabet 4. Encryption 4 plus 15 mod 26 means ciphertext 19 equal to 2 T. Plain text L position obtained in the index 11. So encryption 11 plus key mod 26 means 11 plus 15 mod 26. We obtain 26 mod 26 equal to 0 or 0 पे store a value A. Similarly, L and encrypted by capital A. O is contain the index value 14. So encryption of this text 14 plus 15 mod 26 equal to 3 equal to D. So Bob alias to Bob. Bob received the encrypted message WTAAD. After receiving the message, WTAAD, we decrypt this message using the same key. For decryption, we use the reverse algorithm. So W position is 22, decryption 22 minus 15 mod 26 equal to 7, 7 equal to H. Similarly, T location 19, decrypt 19 minus 15 mod 26, plain text 4 equal to E. A equal to 0, decrypt 0, 0 minus 15 mod 26 equal to 11, 1, sorry, L, and again A converted L, D index value 3, so decryption 3 minus 15 mod 26 equal to 14, and value of 14 equal to O. Any plain text is converted after decryption, the plain text converted in the form of original messages like that, hello. Caesar cipher. Historical additive cipher are called shift cipher. Julius Caesar used an additive cipher to communicate with his officer. For this reason, additive cipher are sometimes referred to as the Caesar cipher. Caesar cipher used a key of 3 for his communication. Suppose brute force attack on the Caesar cipher. It means meet me after the toga party. This is encrypted by key value equal to 3. Means M plus 3 equal to NOP converted by P. Similarly, E plus 3 mod 26 converted by H. Next E value position plus 3 converted by next alphabet H. So now we converted using key equal to 3 and find the ciphertext like this. If key equal to 2 use करते हैं तो इसके अकॉर्डिंग ये ciphertext and this plain text का ये ciphertext आपको डिफरेंट अगर ये आपका plain text है तो यहाँ की माइनस भी यूज कर सकते हैं. तो एडिटिव साइफर विद की इक्वल टू 3 के अकॉर्डिंग मीट मी आफ्टर द योगा पार्टी is converted PHSW, PHTI, WHU, KWKH, WRZ and SDUWP is the ciphertext of key additive cipher key with key equal to 3. Monoalphabetic cipher security now have total possible keys equal to factorial 26. So we can write 4 into 2 to the power 10 to the power 26 keys. With so many keys, it is secure against brute force attacks, but not secure against some encryptability attacks. Problem is language characteristics. Language statistics and cryptanalysis means human language are not random, letters are not equally frequently used. In English, capital E is by far the most common letter, followed by T, R, N, I, O, A, S. Other letters like Z, J, K, Q, K, X are fairly rare. There are tables of single, double, and triple letter frequency for various languages. Used in cryptanalysis, key concept monoalphabetic substitution does not change relative letter frequencies. In terms of to attack, we calculate letter frequency for ciphertext, compare the distribution against the known one. So thank you. In the next lecture, we will discuss about multiplicative and F-line cipher, Playfair cipher, Playfair key matrix, polyalphabetic substitution cipher, example of Vigenère ciphers, and security of Vigenère cipher. Thank you.